Hey everyone! Today I'd like to introduce you to a new tool called One Video Control. It's a Chrome extension that can help you with any video you're watching on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp Web, and many more. I'm going to show you how it works and why it's so cool. But to use it, you'll have to install it from the Chrome Web Store. I've already installed it. Once you install it, it appears right here for you. You can click here and configure it. You can change the design of it and some functionalities. Right now, I'll leave it with the defaults and let's see how it works. Suppose I go on YouTube and I want to watch a video. As you can see, I have this colorful circle here in the video. I press it, it grows, and I can hover with the mouse over the volume area, and using the mouse wheel, I can change the volume. Same goes for speed. Great! Now I wish to keep on surfing in Facebook or any other site. I just click here on the pop-out button. And now I can still watch the video, place it where I wish, and continue with my other things. I can even minimize the browser and I will still see the video. You'll see this circle icon on any video in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp Web, and more. There are more cool things in it, but I'll let you play with it and find out for yourselves. Really cool extension. Just search for OVC in the Chrome Web Store or click the link. Enjoy!